place of 1,000 drips on the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. This is the last pull-off thingy. And you got a bunch of different places that the water's coming in from. All running down. I've counted, there's 999 drips, there's not 1,000. And I'm gonna step to the bottom and get some video from the bottom up when the cars get by. Well, here's the bottom part of the place of 1,000 drips. Lots of traffic today. And it goes up in yonder. Rain's up there where I was a minute ago. And that's pretty much that.